How to draw on Instagram messages. So a new feature with Instagram has come out recently that you can physically draw on a message. So what we can do is go to your Instagram and go to your messages at the top right hand corner if you're on your home screen, and go ahead and choose a message thread. So from here, what you want to do is at the very bottom, it looks normal with your messages and adding pictures and voice notes and all that stuff. But what you can see here is to hit the plus sign at the very far right side. And what that's going to do is be able to give you the draw feature as you see there. And then from here, you basically have a pen that you would use your finger to write with. So I'm just going to write hello. And what we can do here is you can either change the color of your writing. You can go ahead and send it. You can go ahead and undo it as many times as you want to, or you can just X out of it completely. So what we can do is hit the plus sign one more time, go ahead and hit draw, and let's just pick a color here, and we're going to send it. And then it's sent. The person will get a notification that you drew on the message, and that's it. That's how you draw on your Instagram messages.